Find the letter A. Mm, oh, this one is A. A for apple. Now find the alphabet of apple. A. Mm, P. A. P. Now find P again. Oh, this one P. A double P. Now find L. Where is L? L. This one L. Now find letter E. Oh, this one E. A double P L E apple. A for apple. A for apple. Bye.